In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add photos on Fresha with our full 2025 guide. Let's ensure your business profile stands out by effectively displaying your work in an attractive and engaging way. To get started, you'll first need to open your professional profile on Fresha. Begin by logging into your Fresha account. Once you're in, take a look up at the top right corner of your screen where you'll find your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. From there, select Profile from the drop-down options, which will lead you to your Public Business Profile section. This is where all the magic happens. Now, let's move on to uploading your portfolio images. Once you're on the profile page, look for the portfolio section, and typically this is displayed as a card or a gallery area within your profile. If you're setting this up for the first time, or if you're ready to add new images, simply click on Upload Images or Set Up Now. Selecting any of these options will allow you to choose and upload image files directly from your device. Ensure that you pick images that truly showcase the best of your work and reflect the services that you offer. Once your images are uploaded, it's time to set your profile or cover image. After reviewing your newly uploaded images, select your best photo to use as your display or cover photo. This image will be the first impression clients or potential customers get, so choose wisely. A striking cover image can really set the tone for how viewers perceive your business and the quality of your services. Finally, don't forget to save and review your profile. After you've uploaded and selected your photos, it's crucial to save these changes to ensure everything is set properly. Check through your entire profile to make sure everything looks just the way you want it. This is your opportunity to make any final tweaks or adjustments before your profile goes live for everyone to see. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're not just uploading photos, you're enhancing your professional image on Fresha. Remember, keeping your portfolio updated with high-quality images can significantly contribute to attracting new clients and keeping your current customers engaged. Thank you for joining me on this walkthrough today, and I hope you found this guide helpful in optimizing your Fresha profile. Until next time, keep creating and showcasing your incredible work.